Welcome to the Yellowhead Medical Clinic, located at 526 Mary Street in Shoal, Manitoba. Our clinic office is conveniently located close to downtown and is attached to the long-term care homes with a view of the beautiful Lions Park at the lake. We have a wheelchair-accessible building with automatic doors that lead inside to our lobby. You will be greeted by a friendly clinic manager who assists the doctors with the information they need. Our examining rooms are clean and private, equipped with standard and modern technology to give each patient the best health care available. Working with Prairie Mountain Health allows us to offer lab, blood work, X-ray, and EKG under one roof. PMH serves in our health facility regularly for adult and youth mental health, access to dietitians, and to assist with chronic disease management. We also have access to ambulance service, Life Flight, and S.T.A.R.S, the Shock Trauma Air Rescue Service. Yellowhead Medical Clinic currently provides care to approximately 1,000 patients from Elphinstone, Oakburn, Shoal Lake, Strathclair, and surrounding communities. We have a family physician and a nurse practitioner to treat families and help them stay well with preventative medicine, with room to add more medical staff as our communities grow. Yellowhead Medical Clinic was developed to maintain healthcare services in our areas. Our clinic hours are Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Call 204-759-2755 for more information. You can also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook. Yellowhead Medical Clinic looks forward to serving you.